You won't believe this. The world's most advanced fighter jet, the F-35, is about to get a serious upgrade. Not in speed, not in weapons, but in teammates. Very soon, these jets will fly into battle side by side, with drones that can think, plan, and even fight on their own. These drones are called Collaborative Combat Aircraft, or CCAs. Imagine a squadron where the pilot commands not just one jet, but an entire swarm of autonomous aircraft. The F-35 will act like the quarterback, giving signals, while drones carry out different roles like scouting, striking, jamming enemy radar, or even acting as decoys. And yes, all of this happens in real time. Lockheed Martin, the company behind the F-35, has already developed special cockpit software that lets pilots control drones using simple commands. In their latest simulation, a single pilot directed 4 AI-powered drones against multiple enemy targets using just a tablet. They call this system Angry Bees. It looks like a game on the screen, but these bees can pack serious punch. The idea is simple. Send drones into the most dangerous zones first, keep pilots safer, and let unmanned systems do the high-risk jobs. Some CCAs will act as decoys. Some will jam enemy electronics. Others will hunt for targets and strike them. In a large-scale conflict, these swarms could sync up from far-flung launch sites and hit targets almost simultaneously. This approach matters especially in regions with dense defenses. Instead of one jet trying to sneak past layers of radars and missiles, a team of cheap, expendable drones can clear the path or take the hit. That changes the math of air warfare. It changes strategy. It changes who gets to call the shots. Lockheed's lab demos even let non-pilot operators experiment in simulators. One test showed a single operator telling drones to intercept incoming aircraft. The software handled formation, targeting, and timing. In the chaos of battle, that speed and coordination could be decisive. But there are real problems to solve. Building smart drones is one thing. Getting pilots and commanders to trust them is another. And Lockheed hasn't won every contract. Competitors are already building their own CCA systems. The military will pick winners based on reliability, survivability, and cost. The bigger question? Humans. Can we change fast enough to use this tech responsibly? Training, doctrine, rules of engagement, all of it must evolve. These systems give huge power to a few people in the cockpit. That's why the human side matters more than ever. And in my opinion, the best use case scenario of these planes will be to spread democracy throughout the world, wherever they find oil. Whether you call it innovation or escalation, one thing's clear: the F-35 won't fly alone for long. The future of aerial combat will be pilots and machines side by side, changing how wars are fought.